Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. General Technology Knowledge. Yes, today I have one video that related to how to read clock from CPU using Proficy Machine Edition version 9.0 and Simplicity HMI version 9.0 also. So we can create the program for read the clock or read the date and time from the CPU to show at the Simplicity HMI. Okay, so let's start together. So right now I have software Proficy Machine Edition, yes, and workbench for HMI. Okay, to do that, open the Proficy Machine Edition software. Okay, please wait a moment because it will take time a little bit for open the software. Okay, so I will use the sample project that we already learned about in the previous video. Okay. Yes, for the hardware configuration, we already learned in the previous video. Yes, I already create and config the hardware configuration like power supply, CPU, and Ethernet module. Okay, for connect to the PLC, I use this IP address 192.168.0.10. Okay, so I can online because I already connected to PLC from my PC. Okay, right now we can online. Okay, so to create the block for it, the example we can online. Okay, I will online and check the clock first. Okay, we can check the clock by right click on the target and choose show status and check the date. Yes, I can synchronize with my PC time with the CPU. So right now the clock is matched with the my PC. Okay, so to show this clock to simplicity, we must create the function for read the clock. Okay, so to create the new program, right click on the program block and choose the letter. Example, I choose read clock. Okay, and then call to main. Open the main program and call it to main program. Okay, so open the block and first we Okay, first we need the manual operation before start our program. So I will open the manual operation and find clock. Okay, we will use the service request number 7 to read and change the clock time. Okay, so click. So first we need to create the variable 5 word. Okay, to read the data from the CPU. So I will create the one variable that use word. Okay, word example CPU clock. Okay, and array is 5 word, right? Okay, and we will use the request service request number 7. Yes, so I will choose the move word. Number 0 to this CPU clock, right? CPU clock word number 0 also, and also move word number 4 to move forward to CPU clock number 1. Okay, and then I use request service request number 7. So as we see, request number 7 to CPU clock. Okay, and then I will sub double integer from CPU clock word number 2 with 7 hour. So we can calculate 7 multiplied by 3600, right, equal 25,200. Okay, 25,200, and then the new variable that will show at simplicity. So I can choose CPU 1 clock. Okay, example. It has to be bigger than. Okay, so this is I will choose person A. Example person A numbers 1 for show at simplicity. Okay, so right now we already create the program and then validate to check. Okay, no error. So we can download this program to our PLC. Okay, so right now we can see the clock is reading from the CPU. So we will show this one to the simplicity, right? So go to the workbench to create the new project. Okay, create the new project. Example read clock. Example CPU clock. Okay, and I will choose the protocol, this one, S90 triplet. Create. Okay, setting, no need to change anything. And then I will create the new part, this one, and port number 0. Example 1 second. Okay, and I will choose the new device. Yes, choose this port. For example, PLC 1, that IP to match with the target 192.168.0.10, right? Okay, so update the project, and then create a new point for read data from this person R. Okay, person R number 1. So new point, example CPU clock analog, and choose divide. Okay, I will choose double integer, and then person R 001. Okay, so update the project and start the project. Take time a bit for start the project. Please wait a moment. Okay, right now the project of HMI already started. So let's go to the device and then check the device data. Okay, right now device is up. It means that it can communication with the PLC. Okay, so let's create the new screen. So click screen and right click new, and then choose the text string, right? Example okay, like this. Double click, and then go to the text and browse the points. Okay, CPU clock, and choose the text and choose the time second, absolute second, and we can choose the format for time, example year, month, day, something. Okay, so we can test screen. Okay, and okay, right now we can compare with the PLC CPU. Okay, so open the Machine Edition and then go to target and show the status, and then go to that. Okay, and open simplicity screen. Okay, right now the time that show in the screen, HMI screen, is matched with the time at the CPU. Okay, so this is a concept how to read the clock from the CPU to show at the HMI. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video, and please don't forget to like and comment if you have any question, and don't forget subscribe my channel also to get more notification and new video also. Okay, so thank you very much again, and see you next video. Bye bye.